Hello, and in this video I will be showing you how to move a marker on your interactive map. So you will click View Map, and for this instance, let's say we want to move that marker over to Lot 3 and keep the same status. You will click on Markers, click the little pencil so you can edit the marker. You will have to change the marker name to Lot 3 because we're moving it over to Lot 3. The change is the location on the map, which is corresponding to numbers. So you'll click Find on Map, and you can see how the pointer changes in points when I'm moving it around. So you will find the location that you need, and you will write down the left and top numbers only. So 2211 and 1323. From there, you will go back to the marker editing page and you will type in those numbers. Scroll down, make sure the status is available and that the checkbox is active. And then you will go back to map and you will see that the marker has moved over to Lot 3. If you have any questions or concerns about this, please reach out to us.